Health benefits of apricot. Apricot is also called khobani in Urdu. Number 1. It is good for eyes. At number 2. It is antioxidant. At number 3. It contains high fiber contents. At number 4. It is healthy for heart. At number 5. It is anti-cancer. At number 6. It maintains skin health and too good for skin. 7. Helps to lose weight. At number 8. Strengthens bones. At number 9. Reduce the risk of stroke. At number 10. It reduces high blood pressure. If you want more videos on health topics, subscribe to my YouTube channel.